is Jim Jankowski, and today we're going to be talking about factorials. So, what is a factorial? A factorial is the product, so the product, which is like times, the product of all the integers before a number that are until 0 that are multiplied. So, let's just break this down. So, first of all, the symbol for factorial is an exclamation point. If you had a number that was 3 factorial, this would be equal to the product of all the integers before it. So it'd be 3 times 2 times 1. And this is equal to 6. And then you can have another number. You can have all these numbers, specifically any of them. Like, if you had a factorial of 6, exclamation point. This, it can get big fast. So you have a 6 times a 5 times a 4 times a 3, I can't write, times a 2 times a 1. And this is a big number because 6 times 5 is 30, times 4 is 120, and then times 3 is 360, times 2 is 720. So we're going to be doing some different examples. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I have a problem here. It's very dank. It's an addition of factorials. So you have factorial 3 plus factorial 5. We're gonna first expand these. So it's gonna be, I'm just gonna do parentheses, 3 times 2 times 1, and parentheses, plus 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. Plus 5 times 4 is 20. Times 3 is 60. Times 2 is 120. Times 1 is 120. So this is 120. And 6 plus 120 equals 126. And this is your answer. I'm circle it and do that. And I'm going to do a solution set because that's a thing you can do. And then I'm going to circle that. And that's your answer. Hi gamers, I'm back. We have another episode of, wait, the same one. We have a new problem thing. And this one is factorial 4 times factorial 6 all over factorial 8. So we're gonna use 2 steps right here. Number 1, expand. So we're gonna expand this. So it's gonna be expanded in 3, 2, 1, bam. Oh wow, that was quick. That was what? Editing magic, am I right? Okay. Oh, where am I? Alright, so we have this all expanded. Remember when we did that factorial 6 and then it was a big number like 720, a lot. And then, well, we have factorial 8 and factorial 6. So this is gonna be a way bigger number than 720. And I don't really feel like doing that. So we're gonna do the second step, which is simplify. Wow, fancy. And this is gonna save us in this case. So you see this entire thing, and then you see this entire thing. Well, you can just like yeet, and then yeet, and you just Thanos snap most of it away. Because then you just cancel it like it's a division problem. And you just, boom, cancel it like it's a fraction. Because that it's literally a fraction. Okay, so now we're left with 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 8 times 7. You can just cross out the 1 because 1 lives matter. But top 10 saddest anime death. Alright, so now we have this problem. What we can do is we can just multiply it and simplify it, or we can do another thing because 4 and 2 multiplies to 8, and then you can just cancel these out. Well, but I'm just gonna do it like you would normally do it. I don't know. So you get 24 because of the top, 4 times 3 times 2 over 8 times 7, which is 56. Learn your times tables, kids. And then this, you take out an 8, it's 3 over 7, and boom, bang, bop, bada, bop, boom. Pow, that's your answer.